Maybe you work in a convention center and you need to collect audio from lots of different locations, or maybe you are doing an event in a stadium and you have some microphones up in the ceiling to pick up the ambient audio, and you need to get those signals into your network in order to transport them back to the audio engineer. Or maybe it's some other kind of situation where you just need to pick up some channels of audio, maybe some here, some there. If you want to do that, we have the NSA4. Now this has 4 universal inputs. Now if you want to know a little bit more about the universal inputs, please check out our other video. And the 4 inputs are then just 4 audio channels, which the NSA4 will convert into an AS67 stream, which then can be in your network, whether that's part of your intercom network or your audio production network or a mix of the both. Now we also have a USB connection here, meaning that you can connect a Mac or a Windows laptop and have it as just a regular audio card, which would be connected via USB, don't need any drivers, and so then that audio can then also be part of the network or intercom system. And because these boxes are really small, they're modular, and with the network connections, we can have either redundant connections or daisy chaining. Again, find out more in a different video. And we can also offer out-of-band management. Again, another video will explain to you about that. If you want to use the NSA4 to pick up signals from your venue, there are only a couple of steps you need to follow. You'll just place the box wherever it needs to be connected to the audio sources. And then you need to prepare it for the network, either as part of a Riedel intercom system, or as part of a manual AS67 network, or as part of an Enmos managed AS67 network. You can use flashing LEDs on the device to identify which device it is, which channel we're talking about. Then we connect the audio sources and it's in your network. You use it and you enjoy it.